Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Digiwards app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded Digiwards app. Then open the app. Here, check the boxes and click on the login button. Here you can choose your Google account, or if you already have an account, then click on add another account option. Here you'll have to enter your email or phone, and in the next page you'll have to enter your password. I do not have an account, so I'll go with my Google account. Here if you have an invitation code, then you can enter it and get 1000 points. And if you do not have one, then tap on the cross. And that is how you can log into Digiwards app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.